Well, greetings there, repairers of Land Rovers, and I'm sure many other vehicles too. I've got another conundrum that has come up with my Range Rover Sport. I did buy the car, I knew what I was buying, and when I checked it over, I thought everything was okay. But I've since discovered a problem with one of the tyres. So let's have a little look at what's going on. Caveat emptor, buyer beware, always check the codes and dates on your tyres when you're buying a second-hand car, because I just assume, because it's a heavy car, it wouldn't have tyres this old. I've never had tyres so old on a car, especially not a heavy vehicle. Hi there, if you're enjoying the content on my channel, please could you consider like, subscribe, comment and sharing. I'd really appreciate that. I'd like to get my subs up to 1,000, so if you could help me do that, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so when I was looking at my, I was kind of sorting out my vehicle yesterday because it needed a bit of sorting out because it had some tree sap on it. But I started to generally just sort of potter around and have a look at the car, and I noticed something going on with the tyres. Now, I don't know how clear that is, but I'll take some pictures. I've realised that these tyres on this car are pretty old, and actually, once I actually started looking at them properly, I can see that the sidewalls are sort of generally degrading. And then, more worryingly, I discovered this, that bits of my tyre are now disintegrating and falling off. Lovely stuff. So I knew when I bought the car that it's going to need new tyres relatively soon, but I thought they'd last me until the new year, you know, just to get Christmas out of the way. But of course, no. So this is the front driver's side tyre, right hand side on a UK spec vehicle. I then thought, let's have a little look at the other tyres. So on the actual passenger side, there is one good tyre. This was replaced in 2022. Actually, it's a good tyre. So there's nothing actually wrong with this tyre particularly. Although I do notice that the sides of these tyres do seem to degrade a bit. And again, it's not looking amazing, but you know, there you go. So that's that one. So that's looking all right. Another old tyre, rear left. So this again is another 2018 tyre. Again, on further inspection, I can see that this is definitely sort of old and perishing. You can see the cracks in the tyre. So they're not far off of the wear bar. And also, I noticed on this tyre, there is a puncture repair. I'll take a picture of that separately so that it's obvious. So again, another old tyre. And then we're onto the rear right. And again, it's another old tyre. You can see that there are cracks here appearing. Again, condition of them sort of, they're not like crazy, are they? Because otherwise I'd notice it, but they are definitely very old, and the rubber is definitely perishing in the treads. So again, another 2018 tyre. Now, unlike American car builders of the 1970s, to me, you can't put a price on safety. So I'm going to replace all 4 tyres on this vehicle. Yes, it's not cheap. When I bought the vehicle, they definitely did not show this sign. This is after me doing some miles on the vehicle. But there you go. It just goes to show you that you can buy a car, it looks pretty good, but the tyres are worth looking at, and it's definitely worth understanding these tyre codes and what they mean. Right, a few days later, and we now have 4 brand spanking new tyres. They cost me £800. Ouch! But that was on offer. Pirelli's again. I've just gone for OEM equipment because I think that's probably a good thing. I'll bung up the size of the tyres I got. That's from National Tyres, which is I think now owned by Halfords. But what do you put a price on safety? You can't really, can you? So, and even though it's very irritating to have to spend money at this time of year when finance is already strained, at least I know I've got another couple of years where I've got good, safe, non-perish tyres. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure I'll see you again soon.